Welcome to Product Critique, where we review the latest and greatest products for you. Today, we're talking about the best Russet Potatoes Bag, the MyLifeUNIT Microwave Potato Bag, a must-have for anyone who loves perfectly cooked potatoes in a fraction of the time. If you're someone who enjoys baked potatoes but doesn't have the luxury of hours to spend in the kitchen, then this microwave potato bag is a game-changer. It's designed to cook all types of potatoes, including russets, in just 4 to 6 minutes in the microwave. That's right, no more waiting around for the oven to heat up. Just pop your potatoes in the bag, set your microwave, and in just a few minutes, you'll have a delicious, soft, and fluffy baked potato. This microwave potato bag works by creating a steam pocket inside, which ensures that the potatoes cook evenly, preserving their moisture and taste. It's perfect for those who don't have the time to bake potatoes the traditional way. You can also use it for other foods like corn on the cob, tortillas, or even bread, making it a versatile tool in your kitchen. The bag is made from high-quality polyester fabric and fiber, which makes it both washable and reusable. It's a great eco-friendly option as you don't have to throw away any bags after a few uses. You simply wash it after each use, and it's ready to go again. And the best part? It's safe to use in the microwave but not in a conventional oven, so you don't have to worry about it overheating or burning. This microwave potato bag measures 10 inches by 8 inches, which is the perfect size for cooking several potatoes at once. Whether you're preparing a quick snack or cooking for the whole family, you'll have perfectly cooked potatoes in no time. Once they're done, you can safely take them out using heat-insulated gloves, avoiding any burns or accidents. Cooking russet potatoes has never been easier or quicker. With the MyLifeUNIT Microwave Potato Bag, you'll be able to enjoy your favorite baked potatoes without the hassle. Plus, you'll save energy and time compared to using a conventional oven. Whether you're in a rush or just looking for a convenient cooking solution, this product has you covered. That's all for today's review of the MyLifeUNIT Microwave Potato Bag. If you want to cook your potatoes faster and enjoy them just the way you like, this is the best tool for the job. Make sure to check it out and see for yourself how it can transform your potato cooking experience. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and we'll see you next time.